By holding shift, move one handle over here and move one handle over here. So we will get this animation first and this animation later. Then alt click on this stopwatch and type loop out expression on it like this. Go somewhere around over here. I'll select this, hit Ctrl C, Ctrl V like this. Select both the layers and enable this icon. So we will get motion blur animation over here also. Now go to the main animation. Select this, press S and decrease the scale. Select this, hit Ctrl D, press S and let's increase the scale a little bit. Let's make this 70. Select this, hit Ctrl D, press S and increase the scale. So basically we are going to increase the scale one by one. Okay, now select this layer, go to the effect and presets panel. Let's select this first layer, go to the effect and presets panel and search for tint effect to apply, and we will swap this color. Let's select this, hit Ctrl X, select this layer and hit Ctrl V, and instead of complete black color I'm going to choose grayish color over here. Select this tint effect and hit Ctrl C. Select this alternate layers and hit Ctrl V like this, like this. Now go take in 5 frames, adjust this like this. With the help of open bracket square you can adjust the position like this. Simply select all of them, hold alt, open bracket square to trim this. Go to the start and move this over here. Okay, like this. Then select the topmost layer and go to the effect and presets panel and search for drop shadow effect to apply. Simply double click and increase the distance to 20, increase the softness to 200 like this. Let's increase the distance to 10. Select this drop shadow effect, hit Ctrl C, select this, hit Ctrl V, select all the layers and hit Ctrl V, so you will get the drop shadow effect also. Let's hit Ctrl Z a little bit. We will select this topmost layer and change the opacity to 100 and softness to 100 also, and distance 10. Select this drop shadow, hit Ctrl C, select all of the layers and hit Ctrl V now. So we will get this kind of drop shadow animation over here. Okay, and if you want then you can select this alternate layers over here. You can right click, you can choose time and time reverse layers also. So what will happen, few of them will rotate in opposite direction. Okay, so this is also one thing you can do like this, but I think this looks good. Then let's go inside this last layer and we will see where is my last keyframe, which is over here, which means this is going to be my looping point. So I'll go to the main animation and I'll hit N over here, which clearly means after this animation should start itself in the form of loop. Then right click new and create one null object. I'll bring this null object at the top Select all of them and make it apparent with this null one. Select this null one, go to the start, press R, create one keyframe. Go to the last keyframe and let's make this one complete rotation. So you will get this kind of rotation animation over here also, like this is totally up to you if you want, because if you add this, the text is not going to be visible properly. So what we will do, we will skip this process because we want our text to be visible like that. So yep, this is how you can create this kind of typographic animation.